Welcome to the Doubletree by Hilton in Amsterdam, a stunning blend of contemporary luxury and rich history set in the heart of one of Europe's most picturesque cities. Situated just steps away from the ferry from city's central station, the Doubletree is built on the Oosterdokseeland, an area with a fascinating history. In the 17th century, this was part of Amsterdam's bustling port. Today, it has been transformed into a thing of urban, thriving space, blending the past with modern architecture and art. As soon as you step through the doors, you're welcomed with a warm chocolate chip cookie, and I will tell you they do offer you 2 or 3. Of course, the chocolate chip cookie is a signature touch from the Doubletree. The hotel's interior design mixes natural light and clean lines with water flowing, beautiful pieces, giving you a modern feel with touches that reflect Amsterdam's cultural charm. One of the hotel's most iconic features is the Sky Lounge rooftop bar. From here, you get one of the best 360-degree views of Amsterdam. Whether you're spinning a cocktail at sunset or enjoying the city's twinkling lights at night, the Sky Lounge is the must visit in the hotel. Each room of the hotel of the Doubletree is designed with comfort in mind. Whether you're in a deluxe room or a suite, you'll enjoy floor-to-ceiling windows that frame a stunning view of the city's iconic condos and the IJ River. Beyond the rooms, the hotel offers a range of amenities to enhance your stay. From a state-of-the-art fitness center to well-equipped business meeting rooms, this hotel caters to both leisure and business travelers. You can even rent bicycles here at the hotel. Whether you're here for business, a romantic getaway, or a city adventure, the Doubletree by Hilton Amsterdam is the perfect base to explore all of this incredible city has to offer. Book your stay today and experience a blend of modern comfort and historic charm. And I do appreciate you watching today, my friends. So please give me a thumbs up, hit that like button, subscribe, and I would love if you hit that comment. Where have you stayed when you've ventured into Amsterdam? Or do you have Amsterdam as a future bucket list goal? And I do highly recommend the Doubletree here in the Wharf in Amsterdam. As you can see, it has nice amenities, a really charming feel, cabinets, space, a safe, coffee, tea, the hairdryer here in the closet, hangers to hang up your clothes. On the other side, we do have the iron and ironing board. Here are more cabinets to make yourself feel comfortable, unpack, sit back, relax. And of course, the chair does open up to a bed to accommodate a third person in the room. We do have the safe, the refrigerator, 2 complimentary bottles of water. Great for taking on your adventures. And the safe does work like the safes you are accustomed to in other hotels. Just the same. Use your own code. And of course, the coffee flavors, the tea flavors, sugar, cream, just what you need for a little pick-me-up in the room prior to going and enjoying the beautiful breakfast, or after a great day's out and you just want to recover a little bit, a little piece of comfort and home right here. And look at the chandelier, and the roof, my friends, is ceiling. Is cement. The ceiling is cement. Absolutely stunning. Huge television up in the room, in the ceiling. Very comfortable for the bed. Out the window is the beautiful view of the ferry. Take the ferry straight across, and you can enjoy the Central Station, the train station, where you can find all the buses, all the trains to take you anywhere the Netherlands has to offer. We took a trip to Rotterdam. Very quick, very easy. Please hit subscribe so you see my other visit of our train trip to Rotterdam and our view of the Rotterdam. And we are going to venture more into Amsterdam with a tour coming up. So hit that subscribe button and you will be pleased to enjoy that. And I love this part of the wharf. It's full of little art museums, artsy paintings. The park is wonderful for the children to climb on. And the children do take the ferry. The ferry is a free ferry back and forth to and from school, as well as adults to work and to shopping. And I do want to mention that most of the hotels in Europe, including the beautiful Doubletree that we're in, is electronic and up-to-date, computerized, if you will. Put your key card in the spot right by the front door when you walk in. You have the thermostat controls. You have the controls for the lighting, the master controls to turn it all on and off. You've got the deadbolt on the door. You've got buttons you can touch for do not disturb or please clean my room. So I think you are going to be fascinated by the amenities here at the Doubletree by Hilton in Amsterdam at the Wharf. And they've got this lovely breakfast menu. You can have breakfast delivered right to your room, or you can enjoy taking breakfast in the restaurant buffet style. They'll bring your drinks of choice right to the table, and you can get yourself the rest of the food from the buffet, or simply fill this out for the room service. Nice. Very nice. Convenient iron and ironing board here in the cabinets. I kept my clothes here for the days that we stayed in the Doubletree. Very convenient, efficient, and sleek. And right under here, we do have the cabinets that you can put your other items, your shoes, or anything else. And it is the 2-prong electricity, so bring your adapter. And the push buttons there are the full room as well for the main lights and the 3 lamps. This is the light for the bathroom. It's outside the bathroom. And notice here with the larger part open, does mean that the light is on. If you push it down, the light is off. So it's kind of the opposite direction as in the United States. On and off switch here. Some hotels, when you push that either direction, it only pushes, and each time it'll turn it on or off depending upon where you're at. And here is the lovely restaurant where we enjoyed breakfast each day. We enjoyed appetizers and dinner. And this is just a quick look at some of the items on the breakfast bar. We did get the cappuccino with sugar, very delightful. And the little fireplace in the sitting room inside the restaurant. Very, very well laid out. Incredible leather, colorful character chairs. And the deer antler lamps. Very rustic. Lots of games to play here as well. So whether you're into chess, checkers, backgammon, or anything else, they do have the game. So come on down. Maybe grab a beer or a wine from the bar. Sit back, relax, enjoy a book, or play a game with your friends. And enjoy the luxury that the Doubletree by Hilton here in Amsterdam at the Wharf offers. And I did want to go over some of the menu snacks and drinks here at the bar so you have an idea of the costs and flavors. These are absolutely magnificent. Of course, a Netherlands tradition, if you will, the bitterballen. We also had the Amstel beer. Beer is B-I-E-R, and here in the Netherlands. So you've got a few different flavors here, along with a full cocktail bar. Pepsi is the drink here in this hotel, whereas most of the area does offer the Coca-Cola products. Very small bottles. Look at this. Tiny, tiny. But they are already decked out for Christmas here in November. So enjoy a sunset. Enjoy a beautiful stay here at the magnificent Doubletree by Hilton in Amsterdam. So next time you come to Amsterdam, I do recommend taking advantage of the ferry, the tram, the train, and I do have videos on each. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. And restaurants everywhere. Any kind of international flavor you're looking for. Beautiful park for the kids. The ferry, so incredibly convenient, easy. Just step right aboard. They'll take you across. Step right off. You're right into the train station. Oh, do mind your step, though. The bicycles are everywhere. About 60% of the people who work and live in Amsterdam do travel by bicycle. So the beautiful Doubletree sits here overlooking the wharf. Glass windows. We're also going to have a video on glass windows. All of the curtains shut inside of the room, inside of the bathrooms, but you can let that sunshine in and enjoy a better atmosphere when the sun shines. So hit that comment, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you back here on my channel real soon, my friends. But until then, have a great, great time. Happy travels. Safe travels, and make sure you are taking advantage of vacations and travel time. See you soon, my friends, from the Doubletree in beautiful Amsterdam in the Netherlands. Had a great stay. Have a great day.